The CoinMarketCap summarizes everything taught in this video. Additionally, if you would like to stay updated on XRP and other cryptocurrency news, please subscribe to my channel and give it a like. Here you may see it. No CC appeal of XRP victory means Grayscale XRP trust restart, says expert. Numerous cryptocurrency enthusiasts and market watchers have taken note of Grayscale's move to launch the inaugural Grayscale XRP trust after the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission's lawsuit against Ripple was settled. This ruling was reached. A lot of people are talking about what this new development means for Ripple and XRP going forward, and whether or not Divinvest will launch an XRP exchange-traded fund, or if Ripple will launch an initial public offering app. We have settled the lawsuit. As a well-known crypto commentator, Luke Thomas highlighted the gravity of Grayscale's X decision. He was informed that the SEC's legal action was directly related to Grayscale's previous decision to sell its XRP holdings. Thomas sees Grayscale's establishment of the XRP Trust as a promising development for Ripple and the cryptocurrency industry going forward. Reason being, XRP is no longer bearing the legal weight of the case. He made it apparent that the SEC is prepared to accept the punishment and end the case by highlighting the fact that XRP is now back in their fund. The SEC has about 3 weeks to appeal the ruling. Since there is no other US-based cryptocurrency that is devoid of legal uncertainty, XRP will be available for free after the appeal period for the CD ends. Disruption and luxury. The door has been opened for more broad involvement of institutions in XRP since the case concluded. This speculation has set off discussions about the potential launch of an XRP spot exchange traded fund STF, a financial instrument that would enable investors to trade XRP on conventional stock exchanges. The debut of this XRP trust has also provided investors with fresh cause for optimism. Reason being, prior to submitting an application for Bitcoin, Grayscale took the first step in establishing the Bitcoin Trust. The Securities and Exchange Commission seat involved in a legal dispute caused this to be delayed. When it came to the Bitcoin ETF, the SEC turned down Grayscale's request to turn its Bitcoin Trust into a spot ETF. Grayscale prevailed in the battle, though, and that cleared the way for the business to apply for and get approval for a Bitcoin ETF. Approval of SCFXRA, an exchange-traded fund, might be a watershed moment for Ripple and the cryptocurrency sector as a whole. Traditional. Investors are increasingly turning to exchange-traded funds ETFs to gain exposure to cryptocurrency. After XRP's tumultuous battle with the SEC, the cryptocurrency would finally be able to be considered a legitimate investment asset with the launch of an exchange-traded fund FW. Aside from the ongoing conversation surrounding FEPs, rumors have been circulating for some time regarding Ripple's potential initial public offering. Ripple might launch its initial public offering IPO as soon as 2025, according to Thomas and other industry experts. To go public for the first time, an initial public offering IPO would be a significant step for Ripple as it transitions from a startup to a publicly traded company. The company's offerings and global reach could be expanded with the additional funds and resources provided. A user of X wanted to inquire about a Ripple C2 because they wanted to know more about immutability. When this tweet piqued the curiosity of the XRP community, which included the chief tech officer of Ripple and a famous blockchain explorer called XRP Scan, they joined the debate. Yes, there are many who hold the view that a blockchain's immutability is its most distinctive feature. The indestructibility of manufactured goods is one of its defining features. It is impossible to change immutable data, according to XRP Scan, but while it can be removed, it cannot be changed. This leads the user of Exposed to wonder how they might delete irretrievable data. You can rest assured that the data in question will remain unchanged if I send you a cryptographic hash. The data would no longer be compatible with the hash if any changes were made to it. However, this in no way suggests that the relevant parties are aware of the information at issue. Some transactions are known but immutable in the early stages of Expose. In response to this question, Schwartz went on to say, if I give you a cryptographically secure hash of some data, then that data isn't mutable. The data would no longer be compatible with the hash if any changes were made to it. What this does not mean, though, is that nobody knows how the data really looks. Regarding the XRP ledger, Schwartz has made the following further declaration. Some of the first XRP transactions are known but can be changed. In 2011, 3 developers named David Schwartz, Jed McCaleb, and Arthur Brito were the first to build the XRP ledger. Access to the ledger began in June 2012. With the loss of ledgers 132,569 in 2012, the earliest available ledger is 32,570, which dates back to the first week of XRLL's existence. The others are lost. because the XRP ledger maintains its status in all versions. Even if the XRP ledger's history is missing, it is still functioning normally and unaffected by this occurrence. The XRP ledger Genesis block does not contain any transactions, as stated by Ripple's chief tech officer in January of this year, who sought to clarify the situation. Unfortunately, out of the first 32,570 ledgers, 534 transactions occurred, and it's probable that those transactions were lost. Black Swan Capitalist co-founder Verson Algera has stressed again how important he believes XRP will be to the future of international finance. Famous financial commentator Gregory Mannarino is often called the Wall Street equivalent of Robin Hood. He just shared a video that Gregory Mannarino made. When it comes to XRP's future, Mannarino's perspective is in line with Algera's positive prediction. Major international financial institutions are working toward a fully tokenized cross-border financial system, which Mannarino outlines. These institutions include the International Monetary Fund, the World Bank, and the Bank of International Settlements. These institutions are reportedly putting a lot of effort into creating a system that will tokenize all assets, according to Mannarino. With this system in place, asset settlement and trading can take place simultaneously using XRP as the main medium. Also, Algera brought out the fact that the article Mannarino discussed in the video came out shortly after the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission was shown. The judge was apologetic for the judge's use of the vague term crypto assets to characterize cryptocurrencies. In the video, Mannarino emphasized the importance of these advancements and what XRP may do in the global financial industry. He was informed that the system's goal is to keep tabs on all financial assets, record their whereabouts, and eventually turn them into tradable tokens. You should not rely on the information on this page as a trading recommendation, and the author disclaims all liability for any losses that may occur as a result. It is highly recommended that you consult an informed expert and do your own research before making any investing decisions.